Viet Mechanical Company Limited, leading the robotic technology in automatic racking system to import-export goods of warehouses in Vietnam. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 promotes Vietnamese enterprises to transform strongly in all fields. Accompanying with this revolution, Viet Mechanical is proud to be a pioneer in the field of racking system for warehouse, chosen by multi-industry partners. Established in 2008, after 15 years of development, up to now, Viet Mechanical has owned a factory system with a total area of 11,000 square meters in Dat Hoa 1 Industrial, Long An Province. The factory is equipped with modern automated machinery and equipment system. Products are manufactured according to ISO 9001-2015 standards, ensuring products with high accuracy, outstanding quality, and durability over time. We always focus on prestige and quality. Viet Mechanical is proud to be the first choice of domestic enterprises by providing warehouse racking systems for partners such as Coca Cola, TH True Milk, DKSH, Bach Hoa Xanh.
Về cái chất lượng của cơ khí Việt thì rất là tốt, giá cả thì hợp lý, kệ cũng rất là đẹp. Còn về cái dịch vụ rất là ok, kịp tiến độ, nói chung là tất cả mọi thứ đều ok hết.
Present in all fields, Viet Mechanical has partnered with many brands in the textile and garment industry such as Coats Phong Phu, Fashion Garment, Gunzidal, and logistic companies such as AJ Total, Gemadept, Schenker. With advantages that help businesses optimize warehouse area and bring economic efficiency, Viet Mechanical is prioritized selection by partners such as Suzuki, Unicharm, Dat Hoa Plastic, Hung Car, Camimex, Minh Long Seafood.
Hệ thống kệ của công ty thủy sản Thái Minh Long thì được lắp đặt là năm 2016. Thì ban đầu thì cũng nhờ cái sự hỗ trợ về mặt kết cấu, về mặt thiết kế của công ty cơ khí Việt thì sử dụng đến nay là 6 năm thì toàn bộ hệ thống kệ là đạt được cái chất lượng như mong muốn của công ty. Cái sự hài lòng đối với kệ cơ khí Việt ở đây là chất lượng dịch vụ sau bán hàng là làm rất tốt. Cái hệ thống mặc dù là đã thanh toán tiền, hai bên đã thanh lý hợp đồng các thứ, nhưng mà trong quá trình 6 năm vừa qua thì cứ 6 tháng là công ty cơ khí Việt đến kiểm tra, bảo trì và hỗ trợ kỹ thuật. Đến nay thì sử dụng rất tốt.
Besides traditional warehouse racking products such as selective, double deep, drive-in, mezzanine racking, Viet Mechanical has made a breakthrough when successfully researched and launched automatic racking system with robotic technology. Help optimize operating time for the arrangement as well as import and export of goods, as well as ensure labor safety, improve economic efficiency for enterprises. This is a step forward to help Viet Mechanical affirm its position as a national brand and firmly on the way to bring Vietnamese brand to the world. In 2015, Viet Mechanical started to sign contracts to export products to countries around the world such as USA, Switzerland, Australia, Singapore, Netherlands, Cambodia, India, Pakistan, Mauritius. The development and the expansion of global trade has promoted the growth of exporting, contributing to helping Viet Mechanical gradually conquer the international market. Every product is the crystallization of wisdom through thousands of hours of labor. Each project is a masterpiece from a breakthrough idea to increase benefits for customers. Viet Mechanical has positioned its brand with optimal design, product quality, service after installation and maintenance. Building prestige, cultivating trust is the orientation that Viet Mechanical has been consolidated every day. To achieve today's success, in addition to modern machinery and technology, it is also a great contribution of the staff. Viet Mechanical always innovates its human resource development policy and company culture, with many practical activities, bringing positive working energy to each individual. With many years of experience accumulation and always working with a high sense of responsibility, constantly learning, creating, improving skills and knowledge, skilled staff and engineers of Viet Mechanical bring to the best solutions, optimize warehouse operating costs, bring economic efficiency to businesses.
Nói về sản phẩm của kệ gắt của cơ khí Việt nó là ok.
Cho đến nay thì có thể xác định là cái việc lựa chọn hệ thống kệ của cơ khí Việt là lựa chọn chính xác của công ty.
With the motto of taking development strategy, product and human resource management, Viet Mechanical always makes constant efforts to bring customers products of international standards and the best quality services. Viet Mechanical, loyal, reliable and reputable, committed to ensuring the benefit of customers.